Amid the raging pandemic, the Muslim community observed Eid across the country. Unlike previous years, the celebrations were low-key across several states due to the ongoing crisis. This year, there were no congregational prayers and get-togethers on the occasion. Several Muslim clerics urged the community members to celebrate the festival at home. In Karnataka, people offered Eid ul-Fitr namaz at their residences following COVID protocols amid statewide lockdown. In Madurai, people clad in new clothes offered prayers at their home on Eid ul-Fitr. The Muslim community also distributed sweets on the occasion. All the mosques and places of worship were shut down in Tamil Nadu to prevent the spread of the virus. Meanwhile, in Uttar Pradesh, people offered namaz at masjids on the occasion of Eid Fitr by following COVID-19 norms. Only 5 people offered namaz inside the masjid due to restrictions. We prayed that this pandemic ends soon. In Delhi, Jama Masjid remained closed to avoid overcrowding in the mosque. Meanwhile, security forces were deployed outside the Jama Masjid in the national capital. This year also, we have deployed forces near Jama Masjid and have urged people to offer namaz and celebrate this festival at home. People have gathered to our appeal of Eid ul-Fitr celebrations at the houses this year. On the other hand, people in Punjab gathered in large numbers at Amritsar's Jama Khairuddin Hall Bazaar to offer prayers in the mosque. We have followed all the COVID-19 guidelines while offering the namaz. Only nearby people come to offer namaz at the mosque. We prayed for all the people who are suffering from COVID-19. Meanwhile, several political leaders including PM Narendra Modi and President Ramnath Kovind extended greetings to the nation. Best wishes on the auspicious occasion of Eid ul-Fitr, praying for everyone's good health and well-being. Powered by our collective effort, may we overcome the global pandemic and work towards furthering human welfare. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak to all fellow citizens. This festival is an occasion to strengthen the spirit of fraternity and rededicate ourselves to the service of humanity. Let us resolve to deal with COVID-19 by following guidelines and working for the well-being of society and the country. Eid marks the end of the month-long fasting period of Ramzan. This year the festival began on April 13 and concluded on May 14.